Angela here. Welcome to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And today I am going to do to try another cloud painting, and I'm actually using paint that I did not finish last time I was painting. So one puddle here, one puddle there. This will be negative space, this will be negative space. So let's try and see how that works. Alright, I already mixed in my cup, and the painting right before this one is where all the colors are, but I will go ahead and tell you what colors I used. This one here is blue, phthalo blue with some purple or violet, Arteza. This is Arteza blue green. This is Amsterdam orange. And this is a mix. Oh, sorry, I'm making a mess over here. All right, this is a mixture of crimson red with some violet as well, Arteza. Okay, so now let's go ahead, and I've already prepared my cup. I'm gonna go in and pour, and this canvas is a 10 by 20. I've already poured my base paint, which is Artist Loft Black. So let me go in and cut all my puddles here. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at the cloud. It just ballooned. Wow, look at that. I like this. See, this one here is the best because it's got a lot of like space in the middle. This I had to improvise. I had to put solid colors on top of the cloud because it just, I think I put too much cloud mix on this one. But look at these lines. Look at this right here. Oh, what a beauty. This is really beautiful. Wow, look at that. Look at that green there and the blue and the red. Oh wow. I was trying very hard to get this not to meet the both I wanted a bigger negative space in the middle here, but again, you know, it is what it is. I put a little bit more paint than I should have, and then I tilted it a little bit, but you know, overall I am very happy with this painting, and I'm crossing my fingers so it will dry like that. So I'll see you when it dries and I'll show you the final result. Look at that. I like it a lot. This is actually my favorite one here. This is beautiful. Okay, thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you and keep you well.